Do you want to know how you can log into your Dibs AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Dibs AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search Dibs AI login. Go ahead and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Dibs AI or to select AI. Go ahead and click on your box which is over here and you can see email address and password. Go ahead and write down your Dibs AI email address, the password associated with that account, and click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Dibs AI. In case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. Now, if you want to remember yourself the next time you log in, click on this box over here. This is how you log in to Dibs AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.